Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can operate blinds. So normally you will have one side, in this case it's the left hand side, that will do the tilting of the blinds, and then the right hand side will do the raising and the lowering of the blinds. So on this one we have strings. Sometimes you will also have a rod as well. I'll show you that in a minute. And if we pull one, you can see it will open and then it will go the opposite way towards close. And if we pull the other one, again it will open and go down towards close. Let me show you the rod. The rod, again, if we go clockwise, you can see it closing, and counterclockwise it's opening. So it does the same things as the strings, but with a rod. So when it comes to lifting and lowering the blinds, there's this nice little mechanism up here, and it will only work when we do it in certain orientations. Let me show you. So for this bit we're using the strings on the other side just to make them horizontal, and now we're going to lift them. So in order to lift, we're going to get the string, and basically we just need to pull down. This is a very heavy blind, but as we pull down, this is now lifting the blinds up. But if we stay in this position, as soon as we let go, they're going to drop again. So what we have to do is we have to lift them up and we have to move the string to the right hand side. When we move the string to the right hand side, the blinds will stay up. And in order to let them down, we move the string to the left hand side, lift up a little bit, and then it will allow us to lower the blinds. So once you find your position, move it to the right hand side and they will lock into place. So always to the left when you're lifting up and down, but always to the right to lock it into place. And lock. So you get the idea there. And lock. So if you're doing your cleaning, you've got them up here, and then when you've cleaned your windows, you want to drop them, you always have to lift a little bit first towards the left hand side and then let it down nice and gently. So that's it. That's how to operate blinds and shades. Thanks for watching.